In a small village, a wise old woman named Alara was known for her unwavering commitment to truth. One day, a young boy named Leo approached her, troubled by a secret he had uncovered about a friend. Alara gently advised him, "Truth can be a double-edged sword. It can heal or it can harm." After much contemplation, Leo decided to confront his friend, hoping honesty would strengthen their bond. When he revealed the secret, the friend felt betrayed and hurt, but as time passed, their relationship transformed. Realizing the importance of honesty, the friend learned to communicate better, and Leo discovered the strength in vulnerability. In the end, their friendship deepened, proving that while truth can be painful, it often paves the way for growth and understanding. Alara smiled, knowing that the hardest truths are often the most liberating.